Look at that, oh. Maritess. Look at Maritess. Look what she doing to the door. My God. What you want, Maritess? Huh? What you want? You have very long neck? Long legs? What you want? Open the door. What you want, Maritess? What you want? Look at the other Maritess. She really did not go. That's not scared. It's not scared, huh? Look at that. My God, long time ago the chicken will really fast too. My goodness. What you want? Huh? Look at that, oh. See? That's the neighbor's chicken, guys. It's always coming here because Dongie putting food that time. Look at that. Oh, see? They really come. They want food. They know already, but they will leave dirty poop. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? The duck over there, the neighbor's duck. They really put in here. Look. What are you doing? Huh? Social distancing?